Well, this is important to our region because, why is it? Today we're having a workshop about regenerative farming and carbon market. This is important to our region because our farmers here, they spend a lot of money with fertilizers and also with pesticide. We're bringing two specialists. So we have André. He's the president of the biggest international organization of regenerative farming. He's also a local farmer in the Daintree. He has an organic mango orchard. We also have Ben Wark from Downforce Technologies. He's an expert in soil carbon markets.
I think the biggest takeaways that I'm looking for the group is hopefully that they feel they've been given a broad understanding.
The ultimate goal of today's workshop was to get farmers thinking about their systems, challenge them about the existing farming paradigms.
Using digital tools and digital twins to be able to assess and understand the scale of change within soil and natural vegetation.
Explain how what they thought is the exception is actually the rule, and most importantly, how they can achieve this.
What is all of the different aspects of carbon markets? What are the advantages, disadvantages? And then how can you plan to make sure that you understand fully what you might be able to get out of it or what you need to be careful of?
Business as usual in farming no longer works. We're losing millions of farmers all around the world.
Regenerative agriculture and sustainable agriculture is what we have to do as a planet, and being able to understand the fact that if you do that properly, there are ways of being benefited for that through things like carbon markets.
It's actual practical farming by farmers for farmers.
It's very good to see another point of view, completely different from what we've been taught to farm.
Seeing that this is the future, taking care of what we have.
Recalibrating back into more of a positive view of these kinds of things that come onto your property without your control.
I think all the farmers have to come here to learn how to improve or get more result in the crops.
As a collective, show the way, not just for, in the industry, but also for the generations coming through.
The knowledge base that you always supply through your experts is really helpful.
It's very useful for everyone, especially for the farmer.
I'll encourage all members of our family to come next time.
I look forward to the next one.
I'm very much looking forward to coming back. We'll go from 101 to 202.